Hi, this is Peter from Instant eCom Store, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up goals in Google Analytics. But first, let me tell you why it's important. So goals will allow you to see the conversion rate of your store's checkout process regardless of the traffic source. And this is important because you might be sending traffic to your store from YouTube, from SEO, from Facebook, and other sources. And what you want to know is how traffic from all of these sources, how they go through the checkout process and how well the checkout process actually works. So let's just go and let's set it up. So now I'm inside of my demo account inside of the Instant eCom Store platform, and the very first thing that you need to do here is you need to check and verify whether you have Google Analytics installed. So you go to main store settings, you go to custom scripts, and make sure you have here the Google Analytics ID provided, and also make sure you have the enhanced e-commerce tracking enabled. So this box must be checked. Once you are sure about all of that, you can go inside of your Google Analytics account. You can just scroll down here and you will find this admin tab. So you click on that, it will open this screen, and then you select your store property. So in this case, this is my property here. And here on the right side, you're going to find the tab with the name goals. So you click on that, and here we are going to set up two different goals because we are running the standard store, so desktop store, and we also run a custom mobile store which has a different funnel. So you'll be able to see how each of these funnels convert separately, right? So now we click new goal here, we click custom, we click continue, we provide the name, and the name is going to be desktop store, right? We click destination, we click continue, and now we need to provide the page here, the page URL. So what do you want to do? You want to select begin with, and then you simply want to provide /thank you, right? /thank you. That's all you need to provide here in order to set up the goal, right? In the next step, you want to set up the funnel, and for the funnel, you are going to provide 3 additional steps. So we will have the cart, right? And the cart is going to be with this URL. Then we will have the checkout, and we can actually say initiate checkout, right? And that's going to happen here, right? And then we add another step, which is going to be payments, right? And it's going to look like this, right? We can verify the goal, and you can see that for this demo store, I obviously don't have traffic, so there's nothing in there. But this is how you would set it up. So you have the cart, which is basically your store cart. Then initiate checkout. This is basically where people are entering the contact information and an address and all of that stuff. And then payments, this is where basically the payment screen, this is where they make the payments. This is the last step, right? And you can choose the different names here. It's not so important how you call them. The key is to really remember what each of these steps were, and so you can see and understand where the drop-off happened. So that's all you need to do for the desktop. You click save, and now you have the desktop store goal created, right? So now we want to do the second goal, and the second goal is going to be for the mobile. So this is going to be mobile store. Again, we want to set up a destination URL. We want to click continue. We want to say begins with, and in this case, it's going to be like this. So we have this mobile in the middle. We also want to set up the funnel. Again, we are going to call it cart. And the mobile cart is also different. So there is mobile here in the beginning. You want to set initiate checkout and provide the checkout step. Then we have a review step. In the mobile checkout, we have another step And then in the final step, we have the payments, right? And this is the payment screen. So again, you have, you can name them however you want. So cart, initiate checkout, review, payments. These are 4 steps, and you can verify your goal. If you have an existing store that's running where you're sending traffic, you already will see some conversions here. And then you just click save. And now you have goals for both of your stores set up. So for the desktop store and for the mobile store, and from this moment forward, you're going to see the nice information in the funnel format, so you can actually see how your checkout process converts.